How about the 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 hardtop? We were talking about this car a little while
Another
ago.
beauty.
Nutmeg over black. Almost a perfect build.
Yeah.
I mean, I could find a little something here and
And it's like you said, it's the body style is just a Fairlane. So when you walk by it, you just walk by it.
You go, oh, there's another Fairlane. Okay, maybe this one's got a 501 cubic inch stroker, Tremec manual tranny, Wilwood brakes, Morrison chassis, upgrade. I mean, it checks all the right boxes for a restomod. And I'm sure this was one of those ones that the original motor was either a 6-cylinder or it was,
small V8.
Well, I mean, 1966 is only 50 years ago. Is that right? I don't even.
It is. It's almost 60 years ago. It's almost 60. It's 58 years ago.
It's just a Fairlane, and then
Then you do
pop the hood. You pop the hood.
Pop the hood, and then you'll know what it is.
It's amazing. Amazing.